Hey, it's Tristan Guerrero from BESTCLEAN Canada. Today I'm gonna show you power tools that could help my hard cleaning job every day. So you see, in my front, so I just discovered the power tools like this power drill, DeWalt. So as you can see, all different brushes and sizes here in front of me. So this one, I can use this on tile cleaning or bathtub cleaning. So I'm gonna need this today on my cleaning job. And this one also, the size 3 brush, circular or round brush. We can use this on tile cleaning, kitchen cleaning, or automobile detailing. The next is the small one. This brush we can use for hard to reach corners, so we can easily reach and brush all those dirt and grime. And this circular and round brush, we can use this also in tile and grout, so we can clean it and reach all the grout grime in the kitchen or washroom or bathroom. So the small box here, let's see what's inside on this box. So let's open it. Okay. So I'm excited with this one. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's another kind of brush. There you go. See what's inside. Another size 4 diameter brush, so good for detailing, car detailing or kitchen detailing, to clean all the tiles, or this one can clean your car upholstery or carpet. So now let's see, we're gonna open now. We're unbox these power tools. Let's see what's inside. DeWalt 20 volts power drill. So I'm so excited with this one. So nice. And first thing, guys, I'm not paid, sponsored here. The DeWalt didn't pay me to show their tools, but it's fine with me. I can show you whatever I'm using on my cleaning everyday job. So let's see, let's open it. Wow, it's right here. My power tools. So power drill. This is a power drill with the adjustable speed 1357. Here's your trigger, and then here's your motion towards left or towards right. So whatever you need to unscrew or screw, you just need to adjust the little button here. If you're gonna attach the brush, just hit push, and if you need to take off the brush, just push on the other side. Okay, what's other inside the box? So should have a charger, of course. So DeWalt charger. Together inside the box is, of course, there's a battery, a 20 volt battery. Let's see. So you see the 20 volt battery. And what else? Oh, another. There's an extra. So it's good. So you need to charge both. So whenever you have a long day for work, you have 2 batteries that you're not gonna get empty. Okay. So come on, guys, join me in my video. Let's start cleaning and let's dive in.
That's it.
That's it. So, nice. Thanks for the help of power tools.